Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce noise in DaVinci Resolve. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now go to the color page at the bottom, like so. Right click your active node in the node editor graph, like so. Right click and then add node, and then select add serial. Alright, select this new empty node. Look at the lower central icon menu and click the Motion Effect tab. So this tab is right over here, Motion Effects, like so. Alright, so now frames. Set this to 3 right here. Going 4 or 5 strains your computer's GPU with very little visible return. Then we have motion ease type. So switch from faster to better to ensure advanced analysis and avoid ghosting strikes. Motion range, leave it at medium or small unless your subject is moving very quickly, in which case click large. Then we have temporal threshold. So unlike the Luma and Chroma, slowly drag the Luma slider up until the fuzzy texture clears. Not yet. And yeah, also this is between 10 or 20. All right, so if you do that, you will see we got the warning that this is just for professional version of DaVinci Resolve. So what we can do is we go here to the Fusion tab at the bottom, like so. All right. Now select the gap line connecting your median in and median out nodes. We will hit Shift and spacebar to open the tool browser launcher. Search for remove noise. So remove noise RN. This is which we want. Add, like so. Go to the inspector panel on the right and you can activate it right here. Switch your visual preview to a single color. First, you will need to connect them as this. And now you can use here softness and details, and you can adjust to see image balanced. And this is how you can reduce noise in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the